Hello guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. Hope you're all well. We've got this 2022 Volcano Grey Metallic Porsche Taycan Performance. It's the 79.2 kilowatt model. It's the automatic transmission. It's coming out 4,946 miles and it's the electric with a full service history. Really lovely motor, really good condition. I feel like it'll get a lot of attention, especially when you're driving. It's got the 20-inch Sport Euro alloy wheels, really good condition on all four alloys. I will post the alloys on the Auto Trader page so you can have a really good look. There's the second alloy, electronic adjustable wind mirrors, front and rear parking sensors with the Porsche LED headlights with automatic activation. There's the third alloy and the last alloy. It has the deployable door handles, rear tinted windows. Like I mentioned, a full service history. It's done service at 12 miles with Porsche. Its next service will be done by Volkswagen main dealer that we're joint to. But yeah, at the back it's got the front and rear parking sensors, reverse parking camera with parking guidelines, parking assist, a power boot opening lid, which I'll show you at the end of the video. But yeah, really lovely vehicle, to be honest. Inside the vehicle, it's got the carbon black leather trim, storage compartment, BOSE premium sound system. It's got the electronic adjustable wind mirrors with the folding mechanism, electronic adjustable windows. You can set the 3 different configurations to with the seats. Open and close, carbon black leather sport seats in really good condition on the seats. There's a Porsche Crescent as well there, which the seats move electronically. You just do it like that. But yeah, working absolutely tremendously. No faults in the system. A multi-function steering wheel with features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free, cruise control with a speed limiter. Also, it has a feature of a heated steering wheel, virtual digital cockpit, which you can see the sat nav on and zoom in, all different configurations, traffic sign assist. There's the automatic transmission with park, reverse, neutral and drive. Got a 16.8 inch display. If I showed you all the specification of the car, the video would be too long, so I've just got to do a little short one. It's got the different sport modes, so it's got range, normal and sport. There's the all different assistance, safety assistance, so there's basic assist, parking assist and lane keeping assist. It's got the warning brake assist. With the ambient lighting, you can change different colours and the intensity, so that's up to you. You can change where you want more intensity than the other. There's the driver's seat setting, heating balance, and the passenger seat. But yeah, plenty of different settings. There's the media option, which includes FM DAB, and there's sat nav navigation, which is the 3D map and satellite image. You can just have it normal as well. That's also available. It's got telephone preparation, Bluetooth. There's the charge setting, and the climate control, so you can change where you want the climate to focus on. All different settings there, all different devices. And I'll just show you there's also news, weather, and I'll show you the reverse parking camera, working absolutely tremendously. High resolution, front and rear parking sensors. There's also parking assist. Down here at the bottom, there's another touchscreen display with heated seats, climate control, all little shortcuts. There's sport mode, parking assist, a lovely Taycan badge, ambient lighting on the around the cup holders. There's 2 cup holders, a lovely leather armrest. The car comes with 2 keys, and 2 USB-Cs and a 12-volt plug socket, storage compartment. But yeah, overall, really lovely vehicle. I'll just show you the back. Back of the vehicle, it's got the electronic windows, storage compartment, like I said, BOSE sound system, ISOFIX preparation seats. It's got a lovely leather armrest, which moves out like that. 2 cup holders, so 4 cup holders in total, ambient lighting underneath the footwells, air conditioning unit with a storage compartment, well looked after seats, no scuffs, no tears, the interior, plenty of leg space. But yeah, really lovely vehicle. Like I mentioned, it does have a powered opening boot lid, which you just press that button. No faults in the system at all. It's got a storage compartment here on the left and on the right with a 12-volt plug socket. The power cable is there, so that comes with the vehicle. But yeah, well looked after by the previous owner. and you just press that button there. There you go, no faults in the system. Really lovely vehicle, to be honest. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle, or information about your own part exchange or finance in the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.